The benefits of having a retractable trellis is Santa Ana winds won't harm the dragon fruit trellis. So because it's so windy outside, we don't want the trellis to be compromised. In fact, I need to redo this trellis because it was, or this shade cloth, because it was compromised, and now I just have this Mickey Mouse fix. It's too windy to get up there and tie it up again. So everything's blowing right now in the wind, and that means in the nighttime, if it gets windy, I'll start to protect these mangoes, and later in the winter, if it gets too cold, we'll have to protect the dragon fruits as well. Thanks for watching the gardening channel with Hot Potato. Please subscribe.